Hi Panther family, my name is Barbara. I'm a graduate assistant at Student Health Promotion. Today I'm going to show you how to properly use an external condom and go through all the steps. External condoms are used on a penis or dildo for vaginal or anal sex. They can also be used on a penis for oral sex. For the demonstration today, since I do not have our condom demo model, I will be using my fingers, so bear with me on that. The first step before even reaching for the condom is establishing consent and communication between you and your partner. Both you and your partner should be willing and enthusiastic participants in the sexual act about to happen. The second step is to check the expiration date on the package. You also want to look at the package to make sure there's no holes, tears, or signs of damage. The third step is to carefully open the package. You never want to open the package with your teeth, and you need to be very careful if you have long nails. You're going to want to open it to the side and rip it open very carefully. When you take the condom out of the package, you want to check the condom's orientation. If the condom roll is on the outside, as this one, then it is correct and it will smoothly roll down the dildo or the penis. Step 4, you're going to want to wait for the penis to become fully erect. Then place the condom on the head of the penis and hold the tip of the condom to squeeze out any air. Step 5, you're going to roll the condom down onto the entire penis. You would do it like this, but since I don't have the model, this is just an example. You want to make sure that you create an airless reservoir at the tip of the penis so there is room for ejaculation, and that will lower the risk of your condom breaking. Step 6 is to use water-based lubricant. You want to make sure that you use water-based lubricant that is compatible with condoms if you decide to use lubricant. Step 7, you're going to want to keep the condom on the penis the entire time having sex, whether or not ejaculation occurs. 8, you're going to want to take the condom off. Hold on to the rim of the condom at the base of the penis and then slowly withdraw the penis. Step 9 is you're going to want to dispose of the condom in the garbage can. Make sure to never flush condoms down the toilet. Finally, step 10 is you want to make sure you use a completely new condom if you and your partner would like to engage in a sexual act again. Thank you for watching this condom demonstration video, and make sure that you're following us on all social media platforms at BeWellGSU on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Be sure to keep up with the hashtag SaveForSexGSU on Instagram to learn more about the common questions relating to practicing safe sex. Thank you. Bye, Panther family.